Hi, everyone. This is Stephanie Shepard with the Iowa DNR. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to correct the location of an existing bald eagle nest. Okay, first we've got to log in to programs.iowadnr.gov/VWMP/. Okay, I log in. Here we go. I come down here. Here's the bald eagle nest monitoring. Now, if I wanted to report a completely new nest, that even if it is a nest that's within one of these territories that's been added, it's a new alternate nest or replacement nest, I would click report new nest. But if I want to correct the location of one of these existing territories, I need to click enter data. This brings up this page, and I'm going to correct the location for territory 75. And to do this, I come over here to the right-hand side of the screen and click Edit. So it opens up the information about the nest. Here it is. And I need to, I'm going to add some information here. I'm going to make some changes. It's in a cottonwood and stuff. And then I also need to correct the coordinates and all that stuff. So the easiest way to do this is to use the map to move location. You can come in here if you've calculated the correct latitude and longitude. You can change these manually. They need to have at least 6 decimal places. So you need to have some good accuracy level. But the easiest way to do this is to use map to move location. So if I click on that, it brings up this map. And you see it brings up this nest. This is nest 75. So I'm going to scroll out a little bit. And I said it was 1.5. It's basically a half mile further this way, closer to the river. So if I click on the map, it moves the nest right there. That looks good. If I want to look at the terrain and, want to look a little closer and make sure it's in the right place. One of my favorite base maps is this air photos with roads. So I click that, and then you can look at more detail. I can zoom in, and I can just grab the screen and drag, and it moves it around. And so I can, get in really close to it. And yes, I'm pretty happy with that. That looks correct. So I'm going to go ahead and scroll just to the bottom of the map and click save. And basically, did you see how that latitude changed there? So it's updated all this location information. It's, I've changed I've added a tree type, and I've changed this location description, and I'm going to also change the ownership type to private, and it looks good, and so I'm going to submit it. It says territory submitted for coordinator approval. Any nest that you've added or changed the location of, I have to look at and review before you can enter any data for it. So basically, it's been submitted to me, and I get a little notice that it needs to be looked at. And if you come in here and you try to enter data for territory 75, notice that it says it's currently under review by admin. And it won't let you enter data. So you just have to wait until I've approved it, and you'll get a little notice from the database saying it's been approved and you're ready to go for data entry. And that's all there is to it. It's really easy and really fast. Hope this was helpful. Thanks very much for watching.